manufactured late 72, registered early 73. This MGB Roadster has just come in. We have sold it previously before, so know the car a little bit. We did do an extensive amount of work on the car in 2016. Chrome wire wheels, lid spinners. Customer has had some paint work done on the car in the time that he's had it. It had a full repaint carried out around about 1989, and that's documented in history. It's got a good history folder. Motor leader steering wheel, overdrive, wheel pressure's really good, she drives really sweetly. We did a complete interior retrim on this car in 2016. It had a new hood. It's also now had a new hood frame as well to keep the roof line particularly nice. The interior kit, there was a kit used for the interior, but the seat covers weren't very good at all in the kit. So our own trim shop did leather seat covers in top quality leather for the car. Hence why you can see all the flukes line up nicely, and the interior is particularly smart now. So up vinyl and then leather seats inside. Soundproofing was fitted underneath the carpets. Had all new carpets, over mats were fitted as well. It's got radio CD. All the boot was lined at the same time. So it's particularly nice inside the boot area as well. Extremely good underneath. A little bit of pitting on the top of the rear lights. The rest of the chrome is very, very good indeed. The usual seams are all in good order where they can normally bubble up. A nicely sorted MGB. Nice with the wire wheels and being a genuine chrome bumper model. Oh, we have a ladybird. Nice little classic.